Alright, but so before I start the video here, I'd just like to say that this sound off, it didn't go as planned. It kind of failed a little bit. Only the NS and the MT went off. None of the other ones did, but I guess it is what it is. So, yeah. Freaking wiring had to freaking fail. But, oh well. I guess it is what it is. And hopefully this won't go as this next year. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another Captain Chris video. This is going to be my first video of 2024, and obviously kind of still the last video of 2023, and that it currently is 2023 right now. Well, this is Pacific time. It's 2024 for the East Coast people. I'm obviously a West Coast person, but yep. It's obviously 2 a.m. over there on the East Coast. It's time for our New Year's fire alarm sound off, and I'm doing this year. I couldn't do it last year. I'm finally able to do it this year. So 2023 was a good year. Obviously 2024. Obviously, I think 2022 was a better year. I prefer that more. It was more fun. But 2023 still did a lot. I had a trip to Oregon. I had, for one, I stayed there for a weekend in Newport, Oregon. Which is a beach area. I reached 1,000 subscribers this year. I got all my panels this year, including my NPD panel and my Botch B-Series panel. And then, or the B5512. I also got my Moose panel, ITI Character Book, and an alarms. Moose panel, ITI Character Book, and a freaking Safe House panel. So, yep, 2023 was a good year, and I can't wait to see what will happen in 2024. I'm hoping 2024 will get some more fire panels. And I'm also hoping I'll get a lot more fire alarms. Maybe this year, I don't think I've reached 100 fire alarms yet in my collection, but I'll hope we do that. So, for our sound off today, I don't have that many fire alarms here. I only have a few, and I'm only going to be sending off for about 20 seconds. At most. But, yep. And we have less than 5 minutes left on the clock. So, yep. So, alright, so I've went ahead and dimmed the lights here. You can see there's the panel. And when I run this, the Sherway CC2 over there will come on. And when I'm finished with this, I'll go ahead and film for about maybe 3 minutes out. Some fireworks outside. It's really foggy here in Washington right now. So, yep. And yeah, so gotta wait for the countdown. Only got a few more minutes left on there. Yep. So yeah, I'm hoping, of course, 2022 was, I guess it was a fun year. More fun than 2023, but I still did a lot. Reached 100,000 subscribers. Not 100,000, 1,000 subscribers, and I'm currently, I think I'm at 1,600 subscribers right now. So, yep, there's that. Started collecting emergency lighting and weather radios. Very recent for weather radios. And yeah, so the alarms. Here I got the Redance NS, the Wheelock MT, the LED L series, the EST Genesis, Spectre Classic, and two Spectre Classic. So, yep. Dim the lights again. And yeah, so let's just watch the countdown happen for West Coast 2024. West Coast 2024. Less than 1 minute left. Alright, the lights are completely off, and I obviously still have the laptop light. 40 seconds. 46 seconds remaining. And hold on. And yeah, so I got 1 minute. 34 seconds. Putting headphones on. Right now. Alright, what's the countdown? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, it is 2024. And you know what that means? Alright, well that didn't go as expected. They had freaking... Not all the alarms worked. Oh well then. Still better than nothing. Only the NS and the MT went off. Well, oh well then. I don't really feel like fixing it right now. But, yep, it's officially the first 2024. Hopefully next year this won't go badly. But, oh well, I guess it is what it is. Kind of failed. The thing kind of failed. Oh well. Let's go outside. Gonna see some fireworks. It's gonna be really foggy out here. Yep. See how foggy it is out here. But you can kind of hear it a little bit. So you can barely see it. Oh, you can see one over there. Okay, I guess this makes up for the fire alarms failing. But, oh well. See the white show out here. Well, not very good because it's freaking foggy. So my here. Alright, well, obviously this didn't go as planned. Freaking wiring was messed up a little bit. So only the NS and the MT went off. Oh well, I guess that is what it is. Still gonna upload this though. And yep, so yep. But yeah, it is officially 2024. So new year, and hope that this year goes good. Unlike the summit off, but which catastrophically failed due to some reason. I don't know why. Stupid wiring messed up, I guess. Yep. Oh well. I guess it is what it is. So, yep. Thanks for watching, and let's hope that 2024 be a good year. Bye, everyone.